How to reactivate a deleted TikTok account. Let's jump right into the steps. First, let me show you how to delete an account. First, go to TikTok and go to your profile. Tap on 3 horizontal lines on the top right corner, then tap on Settings and Privacy. Here you want to go ahead and tap on Account. Tap on Deactivate or Delete Account. Tap on Delete Account Permanently. Select your reasons and then tap on Continue. Put a check mark on the box and then tap on Continue. As you do that, your TikTok account will be deleted. Now, one thing that you have to understand is, if you have deleted your TikTok account permanently, there is no way you can reactivate your deleted account. You have to create a new account for it. Or you want to reactivate your deactivated account, all you have to do is log in to that account. So that is all for today's video. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.